Hello guys, today we are working on a 2020 Chevy Malibu with the 1.5 liter engine turbo, and I will be changing the spark plug on this vehicle. This vehicle is a 4 cylinder and it has a 4 spark plug, and I went to O'Reilly, and this is the AC Delco spark plug that you need to buy for the Chevy Malibu. And this is the socket, the 40 millimeter socket we are going to need to change that. So I'm going to start by removing the coil on top of the spark plug. Remove the boot, and okay, this is a 10 millimeter. Let me remove this one also at the same time. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this is easy to do. So once you remove the core, and then you just use the 14 millimeter spark plug socket to remove the spark plug in there. Okay. All right. Let's do it. I'm going to just remove one to give you guys an idea. You don't have to waste your time and do the whole thing. So let me remove the plug on this one also. So the way this thing is aligned, it looks like we had to remove at least the second bolt here to be able to remove the spark plug without damaging it. So because of the way his angle is so weird, so I'm going to remove the second bolt here from this one. And then I will try again. Okay. Okay, it's off. So now let me try again to angle it and see if I can get to it. Yeah, it's better now. Yeah, it's better. Because this for the second spark plug, it was in the way, so I couldn't properly get in. So now it looks good. So I'm going to remove the spark plug. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, here it is. So to do the other one, it's just a simple procedure. Remove the coil and then use a 14 millimeter to remove the spark plug, and then yeah, you can install a new plug. looks really clean in there, so that's good. So to install the new plug, this tip goes inside, and then you just put it in there and then screw it back up. All right. Please, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment. Please like and subscribe. We will appreciate it. Thank you for watching.